Alright, I'm going to show you how to install the Canvas app on your phone. This is a quick way to check students' grades. If you need to go a little bit more in depth, it's better to go on the computer to do that. But first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to the Apple Store or the Play Store, and I have an Android, and what you want to do is you're going to want to actually search Canvas Parent. Now I'm going to go back here and I want to show you something really quickly. If I just type in Canvas, you're going to see Canvas, 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 a whole bunch of different Canvas apps there. You want the actual one that says Canvas Parent. If you notice, the icon is actually blue there, and so that's the one that you're going to want to click on. I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and I'm going to click Install, and it's a very small program. We've got fast internet and it is almost ready to go. Okay, at this step here, this is what you're going to do is, if you notice here, and they've changed this around a little bit, but right down here is where you create account. So what you're going to want to do is you want to click on that down there, and you're going to want to go ahead and put in your information. So I'm going to go ahead and put in a generic email that I use, and my first name is Wes, last name is Estvold. And I'm going to go ahead and put in a password. It's just going to be just a generic password. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on Next. And now what I want to do is I want to put in our institution. So our institution is Sisters. And you have to type in the full thing here. Instructure, instructure.com. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click Next. And at this point it says, and if you notice right up on the top here, it says Students Login and Password. Now you have two options here. You have your students and teachers and students here, and parents login. But you're wanting to enter the students login, so it's important that you click on this first button here. I go ahead and click on that, and I'm going to go ahead and put in their full email address. Now this is blurred out for you, but I'm going to go ahead and put in one of my students, and then I'm going to go ahead and put in the back end. The back end is at sistersk-12.org. Alright, after I type in the email, I click Next, and then I want to go ahead and type in their password. And you can always have your student do this for you, and then all you have to do is click Sign In. Now, here's what you're going to see. You're going to see your student's name up at the top, and I've blurred it out. And then you can see all the courses that this person is taking here. Okay. Now, this doesn't actually tell you exactly what assignments are there, but you can actually click on something like Math, the Math, and this person has a 93%. If I scroll back, I can actually see other assignments here from the past. It'll actually tell you like it was submitted and the percentage. Now if you want to look a little bit deeper at the assignment, you have to actually go into the Canvas web app to be able to do that. Now there's another thing that you can do here is if you have multiple students, and the really cool thing about this is that if you have a student at the middle school, high school, or elementary school, you can also add them to the same app here. Up on the very top here, you're going to see this little gear button. If you go ahead and click on the gear button, and then you can go ahead and click the three dots, and again, that's just right up top here, the three dots. You click Add Student. So I'm going to go ahead and add another student. The process is exactly the same for signing up for your first student, and I actually skipped that so you didn't have to watch me do it. And now what I can do is exit out of settings, and now if you notice up top I have two different icons that I can click on now. And then again I can go down, and I can say, oh well, this person has a B in science. I can click on the assignment. I can scroll back. And again, I'm scrolling back by either clicking on that or swiping in that direction, and you can actually look at the grades there. Okay, and that is how you sign up for Canvas on your phone. And again, if you need to look at the assignments a little bit more in depth, you have to go to the web to do that.